Alright, so in the previous video, what we did was we added this thread to assign permission for a given role, right? So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to implement all of these features. So, and first of all, we have to add this thread in our role class. So in this role model, you just have to use has permissions as a thread so that with my role object, I can call the functions of that thread, right? So to test it, let's first create the role and the permission. And what we're going to do is we're going to assign the permission to the given role. So in my route file, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a get request that we create role and then request. Let's just create role from our package. Create name is, let's just say admin for now. All right, and let's random role. Similarly, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the permission in our database. So instead of create role, I'm just gonna add create permission as a route, and instead of role, I'm gonna give permission for the model. And let's say the name of the permission is edit account. Let's just keep it like that. And instead of role, I'm gonna have permission here. Here also, I'm gonna dump the permission. All right. So now in our next route, what we're gonna do is we will assign this permission for this role, right? So for that, let's create another route, and the name of the route I'm just gonna give assign permission, and here function, and let me first fetch the role from our database table, where name is admin. Let's give the path for the role. Yes. And the permission would be name is edit account. And if we look into this thread, we have this method called give permission, right? So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to say give permission. Now this row can access this method because this row has implemented this has permissions thread. So now let's test it out. All right, let me go to this browser, and we have our method called create role. And okay, so duplicate key and entry. Let me check in this database. Let's see the name of the database. Example roles package. Okay, so there is already a role for the admin. Let's just remove it right now. And permissions, let's remove it as well. So now if I do create role, it should create the role, right? Now if I go to this roles table, we have admin, and we have nothing in our permissions table. And if we look into this permission role table, we have nothing here as well, right? So now if I say create permission, it says mass assignment on permission. So let's go to this permission class and label equals name. Let's go to this browser and refresh this page once again. I think this permissions is stored in our database, right? So now the next thing what we did was we want to assign this permission for the given role. Assign permission. Okay. Now if we look into this database, we should be able to see this role ID admin now has the permission for edit account, right? So I think this is it for this video. This is the basic package how we can create and assign roles and permissions and whatsoever. So this is just the basic idea about how we create the package. So now in our next video, what we're gonna do is we will upload this package in the package server. So for now, let's just wrap it up then.